Hi guys, I'm the Kiwi Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Victorinox Rex Potato Peeler. Okay, first thing is how to hold the peeler. Put your thumb and your index finger and the two little notches on the side, and then just close your hand and fingers over the bottom of the handle, making sure that the sharp blade is pointing down. Simply hold the item you're going to peel, ensuring that your fingers are below where the blade sits so that you don't cut the ends off your fingers. And then as you're peeling, you simply rotate the item with your hands and fingers just like this. And it's as simple as putting the blade on the top and just pulling down. And once you get used to it, you can really fly with these things. Absolutely brilliant peelers. So that is the Victorinox Rex Potato Peeler. Until next time, happy cooking!